Hello and welcome back to this month's episode of Cooking with Celebrate. It's June. We made it to summer. So what better way to welcome summer into our lives after the snow that we've had this year than a recipe that is based in the color orange. So we will be making our ribbon carrot sesame salad. Come join me. So this is another very simple, easy, and fun recipe to enjoy as we welcome sunshine into our lives. So we are going to start by taking our carrots and we are just going to use a simple slicer and we're going to make ribbon cuts all throughout our carrot until we get to a very, very thin stem and we no longer can shave it. So next, we're going to take our cilantro. We only need 2 tablespoons. Now, cilantro is a very divisive ingredient. So either you like it or you hate it and there's no in between, and I accept that and understand it. If you do not like cilantro, you can use parsley. So we'll do 2 tablespoons of a fresh ingredient. I do encourage fresh because the flavor is really delicious with fresh cilantro in this salad. So we'll just cut that down. Again, I like pieces to be a little bit bigger. Also, in case you're serving a guest who might not enjoy it as much as you, it's easier for them to pick it out. I have learned that over the years, but I just like the color of the larger pieces. I just think it gives a nice bold color and contrast to the orange of the carrot. So we will do just a rough chop on all of this. Okay. And then we will add it to our carrots. Smells so good already. Okay, and then we will take our lime and we're going to juice a lime into this. Is there any better combination than lime and cilantro? I don't think so. So we will do this. This is like stunningly gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. The ADT kicks in. Okay. So next we will add our rice vinegar, our sesame oil, our soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of honey. We're going to mix all this together. And literally you're 1 step away from being done. So we're going to plate this and then we'll sprinkle our sesame seeds on top. And then after we plate, we'll just take our sesame seeds, sprinkle them on top. Now you also could just add them to the salad as you're mixing it if you want to. Either way, it doesn't matter. You still will be able to taste and enjoy them. And there you have our ribbon carrot sesame salad full of vibrant vitamin A to help welcome our warm summer months into our lives. So this is a great dish that will really help with all of our benefits of vitamin A and our phytonutrients that we get from this delicious vegetable. Thanks for joining. See you next time.